Hello again, another job for interview tomorrow at 7:04 at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So this is a duty-free sales job located in Narita City in Chiba, Prefecture. So we are looking for 7 people for this one. So the job for this is duty-free sales job. So you must speak at least conversational Japanese for this one, but we're also looking for English speaker, a Korean speaker, and Chinese speaker. So the salary for this is from 224,000 yen to there will be a hourly salary also of 1,400 yen, and there will be bonus also for this one. So anyone willing to apply for a duty-free job, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So you can comment down below. Thank you.